Welcome to TaraBites. This is going to be a taste test video on Nature Valley's soft baked sweet and salty bars. This one is salted caramel. They did have one that was like a turtle one with a little bit of chocolate on it, but I'm going with this one today. I do like they have like nut and fruit bars that are crunchy, delicious, absolutely delicious, and you don't feel bad eating those. There's some healthy things thrown in there. And they also have those really, really crunchy, like just like oat bars. I really love those. They're really hard on the teeth and messy as all hell, but they are delicious. So let's try these salted caramel soft baked bars by Nature Valley. They are new. They're a little square. Smells chocolatey. Making a mess. A little bit messy like their other ones. Well, how many calories are these? 150 calories and 10 grams of sugar. Knowing that and knowing the taste, I would not buy these again. It's not bad tasting, however, not worth the calories. I'd much rather have like a candy bar or something, or one of their other bars. I do love their other stuff. This is my least favorite, but it's not horrible, but it's not gonna get my seal of approval.